Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera. Good morning to all of our distinguished guests. Welcome to the webinar session of the Higher Education Virtual Expo 2021. With me here today is Cikgu Adinin bin Muhammad Saleh, Registrar of Hattek Sdn Berhad. He will be presenting on a topic called A Newborn Private Higher Learning Institution. Just for your information, there will be a 10-minute session at the end of this session for question and answer. You can type your question at the chat area and we will try our best to answer your question. Cikgu Admin, you may go.
Parents, students at home, and also the working people, wherever you are. This morning, once again, I have the opportunity to talk about our newly born college, which is called Hattek College. So Hattek College, this is the topic which I'm going to talk about. Hattek College is a newly established institution. We have been established in 2019, August 2019. And then our campus location is at Simpang 175, Talanay Avenue, Jalan Talanay. So if you are familiar with Jalan Talanay, with the box, there is a place called the box. We are just exactly in front of the box. Okay. So this is the box. So on the right-hand side is the campus, our campus, Hattek College. This is the campus. Okay, this is the box. And in front of the box, there is the Hattek College. So we are located at Simpang 175, Talanay Avenue, Jalan Talanay. There is a wing banner along and in front of the side of the building. And then our campus, in front of our campus, we have a banner. Okay. At the main entrance also we have a signage. Then we have a horizontal banner at the side of the building, which is quite big banner. So Hattek College established in 2019, August 2019, 1.5 years ago. So our partners, besides our Ministry of Education, which is very supportive, thanks to His Majesty Government, Brunei Darussalam, because they have the Ministry of Education through the Brunei Darussalam National Accreditation Council has endorsed or accredited or recognized our programs. And our partners also. Who are our partners? Our partners are NCC Education UK from the UK. NCC Education is an awarding organization, awarding body, which awards the certificates for our courses. I will inform you, I will talk about the courses after this. And then another partner is UNITAR International University from Malaysia. As you know, UNITAR International University Malaysia is also a private institution in Malaysia, but they are quite established. They are born in 1997. Now, what are our programs? So these are our programs. The 4 programs above are coming from UNITAR, okay? Masters of Business Administration, MBA. This MBA is quite popular amongst the working people because the working people are our assets. we are looking forward for them to join this program. And then another one is Bachelor of Management Honors for 3 years. Now in Malaysia, in UNITAR International University, they use tri-semester, 3 semesters per year. So that's why we have 9 semesters. For the masters, it should be 3 years, but 3 semesters, not 2 semesters. Bachelor of Information Technology in Software Engineering. This is another program, comes from UNITAR. It's also 3 years, 9 semesters. And then another one is Foundation in Management. This is from NCC. No, this Foundation in Management is, still from UNITAR. 1 year, 3 semesters. Now, NCC Education Level 3, Foundation Diploma for Higher Education Studies. This is a foundation studies. No, people from this NCC Education Level 3 International Foundation Diploma can go direct into the bachelor degree at our college. But they must pass all the modules. There are about 8 modules. The students have to pass it. So this is only 2 semesters for 1 year. So these are the programs we have at the moment. Another 2 programs coming soon, which is not in my slides, I would like to mention here is NCC Level 4 Diploma in Computing and Business. And then also NCC Education Level 3 Certificates. NCC certificates, Level 3. This is to cater for students with minimum O levels, minimum O levels yang dapat 2O, 4O passes, macam tu. We'll talk about it. If you have question later, we can talk about it more. Now let us go one by one. The Masters in Business Administration. So this Masters of Business Administration, like I said just now, it is a 1 year program, full time. We have full time and part time. This is part time. This is another slide I click. Now let us go to full time first. Full time will be 1 year, but this full time is a compact duration. I think most of the working people over there don't like this full time. They would rather go for part time because part time santai sikit, relax. Because during the part time they have two years. And then 6 semesters. Every semester you only learn 1 module or 2 modules the most. 1 or 2 modules saja. So within the duration of 6 semesters. But in the full time money we have 10 modules, and then it will be divided into maybe 4-4-2, macam main bola, ataupun 2-4-4 macam tu. In UNITAR ni, the semester ni we have short semester from January to March, then long semesters, April to July, and then another one is August to December. Maybe long semester tu kadang dibaginya 4 modules, 4 modules, compact tu, and then full time, very tight tu. Bukan menakut-nakutkan ya. Ini anu saja, just an experience. So kalau orang yang working people, I would rather advise them to go for part-time. Part-time ni yang 2 years and then 6 semesters. Because for your information, at the moment we have one student working adults who is doing the part-time ni. Santai ya. She comes twice a week, every Friday and Saturday afternoon. Sometimes kalau ada free macam Wednesday afternoon, we can change the timetabling atau. We are quite flexible sana. Masa ni lah, because our student not so many kan, so we can play with the timetable atau tukar-tukar sana tukar sini. Provided the lecturer is there lah. Now our talking about lecturer ni, terkeduhong sudah tercakap lecturer. Lecturer for MBA ni we have at the moment we have 1 because 1 module. Inshallah will be more coming, but our lecturer comes from Malaysia, Malaysia from Unitar juga ada. At the moment ada one Malaysian teaching the MBA ni, at our college. He has a vast experience. He also has Master of Business Administration ni, and then also other professional qualifications. Now let us go back to the full time one, because I want to talk about the tuition fees. The overall fees is 10,500 only. Only 10,500. Our student yang ada tu quite surprising. She said, "Oh, not so mahal lah." So alhamdulillah, she can afford to pay the tu. Now the payment plan satu ada 3. Sama ada you pay yearly sekaligus 10,500. Lagi payah mikir-mikirkan tu, tahu sampai graduate saja. And then by semesterly, because ada 3 semester, I divided into 3. I divided into 3 semesters sini. So first one semester tu 3,500. Tadi mudahan saya kalkulator aku tu lurus. Then my monthly ni tough sikit, 875 monthly for 1 year. But if you go for part time, let's see what's the difference. Ada difference sikit kalau part time. This is the part time. Okay. Now part time kalau yearly, 2 tahun kan, bagi 2, 5,250. Yang tadi sekaligus ini 5,250. And then by semesterly 1,750. Yang tadi berapa? 3,500. Separuh lagi 1,750. And then by monthly pun half. Makin dia banyak durationnya, makin dia banyak lagi. So ada like our current student ni, existing student, she negotiate with us. Cigunya kalau aku membayar bulan ni 2 bulannya. Tapi nanti kalau Januari start kan tu. Januari Februari bayarnya. Then March April sekarang ujung April aku bayar ciguanya. Okay, said as long as you pay, itu tidak ada problem because yang penting payment itu ada. Carry on. So this is for masters. I'm going to go to fees yang bachelor and then foundation after this. Okay, if you have a further question regarding this, you can ask me. And then regarding the entry requirement, this is quite interesting. Entry requirement ni, why I said the masters in business administration ni quite popular, because some of our working people ni, they have been working for a long time, 5 tahun ke atas, and fortunately our Ministry of Education has recognized their potential and the working experience atau even Unitar pun Unitar has been agreed to this recognition by our Ministry of Education. Katanya kalau Ministry of Education sudah say yes, and then we also yes. Okay, rely on our government So here the entry requirement for MBA ni, apart from bachelor degree yang macam banyak kena tekan-tekan tu, we also give opportunity to the working people yang ada HND, Higher National Diploma. And then plus 5 years working experience. Mesti ada 5 tahun ke atas lah yang punya experience. So kalau ya sudah 5 tahun ke atas tu, 6 tahun tu misalnya, 5 tahun setengah tiap, boleh tu insyaAllah. Let's see. Please come to our college and talk more about this. If you have higher national diploma. Now, just to expand lagi sikit, higher national diploma ni ada yang punya comparison qualifications juga. Misalan higher national diploma ni comparison to advanced diploma. Advanced diploma level 5 itu pun considered as higher national diploma tu. Siapa ada advanced diploma, don't worry. This is comparable to higher national diploma, advanced diploma. And also, if you have other different qualification, come to me and come to our college. We talk more about it, because it might be suitable, it might be applicable to enter this program for the working people. So for students sekali yang just graduated, it would be better lah kalau ada kita bekerja setahun, 2 tahun, 3 tahun with the bachelor degree ni yang baru graduate, freshly graduate, kerja 3 tahun sudah is enough for you to enter this because the working experience satu is very important sekarang in your MBA classroom ni. You will share the ideas how to manage people, ada ya HRM apa tu, human resource management, and then managing organization. You have been working in the organization, how you manage, how you go for the environment and so on. Okay, so I think enough for the MBA atau. So dua tadi tu, MBA ada full time, ada part time, and then I talk about the entry requirement, and also I talk about the payment plans. So if you have other question sekarang apart from this, method of delivery lagi benar, ya ada blended mode, face to face. Ini face to face ini untuk full time ya. Yang blended mode ini ya campur face to face, campur online. Online itu we will join Unitar International University di Malaysia. Arah mass lecture-nya, mass lecture we join them. Kalau ada mass lecture according to the timetable, kadang-kadang timetable-nya 4.5 ke 6.5. So we have to follow lah. We go online juga. Student sama lecturer will be given access by the Unitar ni. Nanti kalau habis kita mendaftar arah MBA ataupun ada courses sekarang, you will be given student matrix by Unitar ni. This matrix sekarang habis kita punya ID sama password untuk masuk dorang punya facilities, termasuk the online mass lecture ni tadi yang dia punya classroom. Then masuk juga e-library, you can also access dorang punya library, pakai e-library, electronic library di gelarnya. Sekarang ni canggih. So you can also contact the course leader di sana. Course leader tu you are free to contact them, give minta advice and so on. So I think that's enough for the MBA. Let's go to bachelor. Bachelor entry requirement dulu. 2 A level, any subjects tu any subjects. Because we believe you ada O level atau macam-macam subjects you ada. Semua Suluddin saja macam mana. But diorang punya background O level, they have many subjects. Unfortunately, when they go to the sixth form ataupun A level standard ni kena bagi tahu Suluddin sama Syariah. Very unfortunate lah kadang-kadang. Tapi don't worry, you still can, because we don't insist on the subjects atau. We believe student kalau become mature student atau kalau yang sudah aging, makin naik umurnya, dorang ni pengalaman, they learn by their experience, by their environment, and also by their communication level apa tu. So it's proven because I was also from different background, and then fortunately I got my master's juga in educational management. Alhamdulillah. Ini market kita. Sorry. Jadi 2 A level entry requirement, BDT HND ataupun advanced diploma tadi I mention advanced diploma, and then IBTE level 4 ni HNTech ni is comparable to diploma ni, national ND ni sama ni BDT back national ND ni sama HNTech ni. Dulu BDT back HND di galarnya. Now they go upgraded into IBTE level 4 HNTech. Masa sudah canggih kan, tukar nama, manusia saya dapat tukar nama. Boleh pulang ke pusat dakwah dulu. Foundation diploma entry requirement-nya macam tadi I mentioned earlier, kami ada foundation diploma juga. We have the foundation diploma NCC tadi. I will talk about it lagi sekarang. Siapa dapat any foundation studies, foundation certificate, foundation diploma, Macam yesterday there was one student came to me, alhamdulillah, ia terdapat foundation studies, foundation studies in one of our private institution juga. So she wanted to go for BOM, Bachelor of Management. I said, yes, you can join this program. You are eligible to join this program because ia ada 6O campur foundation studies satu tadi, direct to the bachelor degree. Now, I will talk about foundation studies ni apa yang punya comparability karang sikit. Just to highlight to the public ni ataupun to whoever you are dalam sana tu yang mendengar, then you can disseminate the information to your friends your siblings your relatives nanti insyaallah dapat pahala tu. So this Bachelor of Management ni our intake January to March. I said earlier April May. Now this year we start in April April the 12th. 12 April ni start ni. So siapa akan register masa ni until end of March sekarang ataupun early first week of April tu masih lagi on tu. Siapa akan register? We are open because our registration ni tidak ada stop all the year round. Macam climate juga all the year round. September sekarang if you want to go for September mendaftar awalan ni boleh, no problem. As long as you pay the registration fee itu 200. So you have a place. Because your registration ni nanti we give you a form. Lepas satu dalam form itu ada dimintanya particulars apa tu details. Then these details we will insert into the UNITAR International University punya website. Diorang ada mendaftar lagi di sana tu. Kami daftarkan. Then after we daftarkan, they will give you the ID sama password. Baru you dapat karang tu. Jadi formal student to UNITAR. Now Bachelor of Management ni, let's go to the fees, tuition fees. It is 29,200. Then payment plans biasa ada 3 tiap-tiap tahun by year, tiap-tiap semester. Ini divided by 9 ya. Ini dapatnya 3,200 by semester tu. Sudah 9 semester anita. Then by months. Months ni kancang sikit ni. Kalau kereta Mercedes keluar ni. So ini dapat, ini investment for the 3 years. Lepas 3 tahun, ada lagi apa-apa. Dapat sijil, insyaAllah. You are marketable, insyaAllah. Okay. So I think that's all yang regarding Bachelor of Management. And then let us go to Bachelor of Information Technology in Software Engineering. Ini kemarin ada parent sama student juga came to me arah college bertanya, anak ku ni nantinya ya 6 oleh bar anaknya tu. Anak ku ni cigunya nanti kan mau interest IT banyak. Cuma tu hanya dapat ngambil diploma kanya. So I mentioned to her there is banyak pathway ni, bukannya diploma saja, dari O level bukan diploma saja. Very unfortunately I can't show you the slides because I want to make the slides this morning. Masa bangun tidur tadi terkanang pasal cakap mamanya tu. Sedih tu bilang cikgu lah. Jadi I told the mother ada pathway lagi satu yang alternative to A level, which is foundation diploma, international foundation diploma for higher education studies. Di dalam itu foundation diploma for higher education studies ini slides-nya. Sekarang I go back to the Bachelor of IT itu. Ini slides-nya. Dalam ini modules-nya you can select. Ada 2 alternative elective. Elective ini pilihan. Ada 2 elective. One is business. Then the other one is IT. Ada 2 modul yang IT Introduction to Computer Science, Computer Studies. And then another one is Introduction to Programming. Ada 2 tu. Ia punya elective pilihan. Now if ia pas pilihan itu yang IT tadi itu, boleh termasuk arah ni. Nah, di Bachelor of Information Technology. Okay, eligible. Because ia ada sudah foundation in IT itu. Ya anak waninya masuk O-level dan ngambil komputer ni cikgu ya. It's okay nyongko because I told earlier tadi orang ni makin berumur makin ya pandai ya. Bukannya makin yang pandai, makin pandai insyaallah. Because diorang sudah berpikir secara advance ya, insyaallah. So kalau ia kena guide lagi by the correct by the right person, by the right tutor, by the right lecturer, insyaallah she can proceed atau tah mamanya siang tersikit mua mamanya senyum dia sudah dibagi tahu cuma tu insyaallah. And then there is another hidden agenda lagi tu akan I bagi tahu, mudah-mudahan ingat sekarang arah information International Foundation Diploma tu. Now let us go to the course fees Bis kita pun sudah melihat, anda lagi payah diberitahu kali ya. Ini bagai one year kita dibayar 10,000. And then semester kita dibayar 3,000 lebih And then by month kita dibayaran ya. Now one thing I haven't mentioned from my start tadi, ini bonusnya bagi kita yang mendengar. Bagi tahu juga orang kita punya kawan-kawan ataupun sibling kah, relative kah. Masa ni Hatek College ada promotion ada promotion 5% grant. 5% grant. 5% itu kita ditolak ni sekarang ni. Ditolak 5% jadi 20 berapa ni? Berapa ni cikgu Said? 31,300 kalau 5% tinggal 30,000 ya kali tu. Lurus kah? Oh, jauh ti kalkulator ko ni. 29,000 Masya Allah, 29,700 jadinya. Masa ni bis kita daftar masa ni insya-Allah kami ada promotion 5%. Sama juga MBA tadi tu. Kalau MBA ni 10,500 jadi 9,000 lebih kali ni. 10,500 kalau 95% dah salah 9,975. Lurus kah cikgu? Lurus dari 9,975. Aduh, marketing tu juga cikgu Dinin Nina. Minta maaf bis kita, ni lupa tadi beritahu awal. Maksudnya ni yang awal ni bonus. Okay, now let us go to mana lagi tadi BIT tadi Bachelor of Information Technology. Jadi ni tinggal 29,000 lebih tadi bis orang calculate. Mudahan saya calculator orang tu lurus. Ujung-ujung dia aku kena marah ini. Okay, now let us go to Foundation in Management. Foundation in Management ni entry requirement-nya 5 O-level. 4 O-level sekarang ini Ini belum update. Kami ada memohon arah Kementerian Pendidikan melalui Majlis Kebangsaan Pengiktirafan Kelulusan sudah kena iktiraf 4 O-level bukan 5 O. Jadi ada sebegini tahu sini selain daripada O-level any subjek 5 O tu 4 O tu any subjek Skill Certificate Level 3. Ini yang selalunya IBTE ni Skill Certificate Level 3. Any certificate tu. PND juga. PND, Pre-National Diploma. I know some people yang bekerja masa ni terdapat ni Pre-National Diploma. Sekarang ni dah lagi kena offer di IBTE dah lagi ada tu. Habis sudah kena passing out. So siapa-siapa yang terdapat Pre-National Diploma bekerja masa ni sama ada bekerja sendiri kah kan upgrade orang punya potential ni sertifikat kah apakah akan bekerja nanti mana tahu misalnya kerajanya masa ni sekian-sekian mana tahu naik ani sekarang dapat foundation mengambil degree tu ani foundation ini untuk terus ke degree ni ke first year degree sebab bachelor degree-nya ada di Hatek ani juga ni Bachelor of Management guarantee masuk kemari tu. Kalau siapa ngambil FIM mana Foundation in Management guarantee masuk kemari Bachelor of Management. Okay? So the Foundation Management ni ia punya beauty siapa-siapa yang mendapat sijil-sijil daripada BDT back dulu daripada Maktab Teknik kah, Jepri Bolkiah kah, daripada Nakhoda Ragam kah berpeluang ni untuk upgrade. Even yang di sekolah-sekolah ada BTEC certificate level 1 level 2 we see nanti macam mana. Itu pun ada peluang tu. Siapa yang terdapat BTEC level 1 level 2 di sekolah I'm almost finished. Kena signal sudah. Tanpa siap bercakap dia tadi kita nak masak. Seorang ni karit masa ni diorang. Now BTEC certificate level 5 ada tu level 5 ke tu? Level 3 This is a 1 year program 1 year 3 semester. Sama juga Januari. Now let us see the payment. 7,000 saja foundationnya ni. 7,000 1 semester 1 year 3 semesters. Bayar sebagai semester 2,300. Bayar pakai bulan 583. Okay. Now parents kalau ada anaknya yang masih umur 26 ke bawah kah? Kalau anda silap. Parents yang masih bekerja government, ini satu bonus lagi nah. Banyak je bonus ni. Ini parents yang kerja government, diorang boleh mengklaimnya education allowance. Education allowance ni melalui ketua-ketua jabatan BIS kita lah, melalui jabatan BIS kita masing-masing. Kami membuatkan dia punya apa tu namanya? Cara-cara memohon, okey? InsyaAllah kena bayar education allowance. Kalau mengikut Ministry of Finance tu pulang. Ministry of Finance, foundation ni, kursus foundation kami ni kena bayar 400,500. 400,500 sebulan kena bayar. Jadi bis kita tolak ni 583 ni tolak dengan 400,500 berapa cikgu? Nah, jauh kalkulatornya. 583 tolak 400,500 kali 100 lebih kali ya. Dekat 200 kan tak? Jadi atus je bis kita bayar bulan-bulan. Jadi sekarang Ministry of Finance sekarang membagi education allowance I think ini sama juga sekejap pak cikgu setengah minit. Ini sisi education ini sama juga. Kalau kita mau nanti ini habis sudah masak, minta maaf ini dah sampai sisi International Foundation Diploma ni. Ini sama juga cara membayar apa tu Ini 5,000 ni sebenarnya bukan 7,000 ni. Salah ni saya. Minta maaf Minta ampun, minta maaf. Jadi ini melihatkan classroom di kita dulu. Classroom 1, classroom 2. Ini sekejap saya. Ini classroom kami mesti dilihatkan juga. Ini computer lab kami ni. Banyak kepala sana tu. Hari itu ada orang training kan membuat Microsoft Excel. Kami ambil gambar lah, ambil kesempatan lah. Jadi kami tayangkan lah sini. Ini orang dari jabatan kerjaan ya. Yang itu begitu kerjaan mana, minta maaf. Jadi ini faculty room, faculty ini untuk staff room. Jadi ini kalau bisa kita datang, ini reception area kami ni. Atau koridor sebelah kanan. And then this is our corridor. Tutorial study room ada untuk student juga. Best room area. Di the box satu, dalam the box tadi kami ada satu bilik untuk student chilling. Diorang membuat assignment ke apa ke, berbincang ke.
Ini mesti beralih untuk question and answer.
Okay. Nombor berapa rupanya kedai foto. Maaf
We have a couple of questions. Thank you for the very insightful presentation. We
Okay.
have a few questions. For the programs that are collaborating with UNITAR,
Yeah.
are they similar with dual degree?
It's not a dual degree. Kalau dual degree ni, I'm familiar with dual degree ni masa I work at the Ministry of Education juga. Dual degree ni maksudnya kalau degree itu 2 buting Bachelor of Management sama Bachelor of Business. Ini di Australia ni famous. Dual degree ni 5 tahun tu. 2 tahun setengah. Kalau orang itu dapat membuat kan mau satu saja, satu yang berhenti. Kalau mau 2-2, 5 tahun cuma tersambungnya. So this is not a dual degree. It is a degree in itself, fully conducted at Hattek College atau kami punya collaboration. Jadi diorang ni menolong kami ni from time to time. Course leadernya sentiasa contact every week in the moment. Di kontaknya lecturernya memastikan everything okay. Kalau tidak okay, apa sebabnya, ia menolong lecturer di sana. For me, I'm working closely with the registrar di sana. Registrar ni pun helping very much. Diorang punya team, insyaAllah.
Okay, thank you, Chiga. There's another question. For the foundation graduates from Hattek, can they apply to public university?
This is a bonus question. Sama juga kemarin yang mamanya datang jumpa tu. Dapat termasuk UBD ni cikgu ya. It's quite difficult for me to mention because it will be considered on a case by case basis ya. Based on my experience, every institution ni they have their own foundation ba. So macam UBD they have the Unibridge They want to market dorang punya Unibridge juga. Kalau banyak foundation dari luar diambilnya mungkin they can claim minta maaf orang UBD they can claim kami punya Unibridge is better than your foundation-nya. Cuma tu ba. And then Unitarnya Unibridge dari UBD boleh masuk ke Unitar. Ya, you must go through our foundation dulunya baru kau dapat masuk ke bachelor. Cuma tu ba. It happens everywhere. So it's on a case by case basis lah, I can say, because atau only UBD, UTB can answer this. Sama ada dorang mau menerima ke tidak. I cannot because I'm not talking on behalf of them.
Another question. What's the rate of employability for the graduates from HATTEC?
At the moment, I'm sorry to say we have not having our graduation yet. We just started. Maybe in 3 years time baru kami dapat buat survey tu. Even the Ministry of Education also through the Higher Education Division dorang ini with me in front of me ni. Dorang selalu menagih jo ni employability rate ni. Insyaallah HATTEC College is the owner is HAHD Ada satu company besar ni ia dipunyai oleh satu company besar. Dalam company ni ada sub company lagi in a group of companies. Group of companies ni they might get our students ni to work there after the graduation. Insyaallah kami ada bagian kapal, bagian transport, bahagian HR office, admin office atau yang setakat ini yang tahu. Ada lagi satu restoran, we have that catering and so on. Insyaallah our Bachelor of Management sama Bachelor of IT itu we have industrial training. During the industrial training they can easily be attached to this department offices yang I mentioned tadi ni. Insyaallah.
Okay, Cikgu, another question. They're asking for if it is accredited by BDNEC, and if so, can they apply for outside as well, outside universities after taking foundation at your university?
Pengiktirafan ni, the accreditation by the BDNAC ataupun MKPK is for the purpose of for the purpose of employment because I was working there dulu. Minta maaf that's why I can talk based on my experience. The main body itu tadi yang mengiktiraf itu for the purpose of employment. Tapi kalau for the purpose of going into other universities for proceeding to pursue further studies it depends on the admission policy ataupun penerimaan tiap-tiap institution ataupun each university admission policy of each institution. Di manakah, di Malaysia kah, di UK kah, sama je tu. Contoh kelulus our graduates from IBTE ataupun BDT back dulu mata teknik kan melanjutkan pelajaran ke Malaysia. Diorang tanya arah Ministry of Education, yang kamu iktiraf, ni malah diktiraf ya government kan. And then for us our private ni sudah ya diktiraf, insyaallah they will terima atas je syaratnya. And then they will equate which level of qualification which level di mana letaknya dalam our framework juga, dalam our kerangka kelulusan di mana letaknya. Kalau foundation tadi letaknya level 4 sama macam seolah-olah macam alternatif to A level kalau A level 2 tahun, kalau foundation ini setahun. Bukan pelanggan membisa-bisakannya, ini kebenaran sudah nyata. dalam framework we put the foundation studies ataupun foundation diploma tu arah level 4 tu. Jadi di sana letaknya orang can proceed to level 5.
One last question, Cigo. For the programs like Hentech, will there be internship program? Same goes to all programs. Ada internship kan?
At the moment yang ada Bachelor of Management, Bachelor in IT. Tu ada internship. That's why I mentioned is very lucky for our student sekarang. We can easily find a place for them to because we have a company kan, because it's under the group of companies tadi, we can put them there lah insyaAllah. Ataupun kalau ada keluar, we need to have a collaboration lah nanti. For the time being, just because we are beginning our college, we are thinking of putting them at the our own company dulu, yang HAHD itu.
Berapa lama tuh internshipnya?
It can be 1 semester for 4 to 6 months, insyaAllah.
Last questions, are there any PhD programs your college offer?
Any what?
PhD program.
At the moment, no. I think that will be in the future plan kali lah. Because we need to prove ourselves we can do this first. Even the Minister of Education pun masa kami memohon banyak lagi kursus, bahan itu dulunya jalankan, prove to ourselves-nya who you are. InsyaAllah. Sedih je bunyinya. Jadi kalau bis kita sekarang sudah suksesnya, ada student sekarang, itu macam employment rate tadi itu dimintanya juga, kalau ada proof dia marketable nanti, nah Anita baru kami boleh memohon lagi insyaAllah kursus-kursus yang tinggi-tinggi. Okay, thank you for the question juga.
Okay, thank you, Cigo. That's all we have for the questions. I would like to extend my thank you to the panel today, Cigo Adnin, and thank you all for joining today's webinar session for Higher Education Expo 2021. The next session will be in the afternoon, 2 p.m. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Stop share. I mean the